Hi everyone. Today we are going to start the new chapter antifungal agents or antifungal drugs. Before starting this chapter, let me explain you what is fungal infection, their symptoms, etc. What is fungal infection? It is an infection which is caused by fungus or by fungi, and it affect to your whole body, your skin. It spread into your tissue, bones, organs, etc. And symptoms include darkening of skin, loss of color, peeling, rashes, small bumps. Small bumps means छोटे छोटे फोड येणे, स्किन वरती छोटे छोटे फोड येणं. And also deformed toenail, itching, vaginal discharge are the symptoms of fungal infection. Then have a look on the images. These are the images of infected patient by fungal infection. This is infected on skin. This is also infected on skin. Fungal infection caused in between the fingers of toe. This is image of underarm caused fungal infection, and this is a image of thumb and finger of hand. This is how exactly fungal infection looks like. Then definition of antifungal agent. Simple definition. These are the drugs which are used in the treatment or prevention of mycosis, means fungal infection, are called as antifungal agents or antifungal drugs. Then let's move forward to the classification of antifungal drugs. First class is azoles. In that, imidazole derivatives and triazole derivatives. Imidazole derivatives are applicable for topical use, and triazole derivatives are used for systemic use. And the example of imidazole derivatives are clotrimazole, iconazole, miconazole, oxyconazole, ketanazole, etc. And examples of triazole derivatives are fluconazole, itraconazole, voriconazole, etc. Then next class, antibiotics. In that there are two classes, polyene antibiotics and heterocyclic benzofuran derivatives. In that example is glycoprovin and polyene antibiotics. In that examples are natamycin, amphotericin B and nystatin. Hamycin is also example of polyene antibiotics. Then next class is antimetabolites. Example of antimetabolite is flucytosine. Then next class is allylamines. In that, the main example is terbinafine. And the other topical agent includes tolnaftate, andecyclinic acid, benzoic acid, cunidochlor, butanafine, and sodium thiosulfate. These are the various classes of antifungal drugs. So, let me explain mechanism of action of all the antifungal class one by one. So, let's start with azole antifungal agents, which includes imidazole derivatives and triazole derivatives. Mechanism of action: it inhibits 14 alpha lanosterol demethylase, which is a key enzyme in ergosterol biosynthesis, resulting in depletion of ergosterol and accumulation of toxic 14 alpha methylated sterols in membrane of susceptible yeast species. This is mechanism of action of azole derivatives. Then antibiotic, example greaseprevin. The drug binds to tubulin, interfering with microtubules function, thus inhibiting mitosis. It binds to keratin in keratin precursor cells and makes them resistant to fungal infection. This is mechanism of action of antibiotic, example greaseprevin. Then next class, antimetabolites. 5-fluorocytosine, which is fluorinated analog of cytosine. It inhibits both RNA and DNA synthesis via intracytoplasmic conversion to 5-fluorouracil, thus active against yeast infection. The next class, choline antibiotics. It causes disruption of the fungal cell membrane by binding to ergosterol, which is main sterol in the membrane. Then mechanism of action of allylamines. It inhibits squalene epoxidase, which converts squalene to ergosterol. Inhibition of this enzyme causes squalene, a substance toxic to fungal cells, to accumulate intracellularly and leads to rapid cell death. These are the mechanism of action of all classes of antifungal drugs. Then let's start with oxyconazole. Contraindication of oxyconazole: patient having hypersensitivity with oxyconazole, in that patient oxyconazole is contraindicated. Then side effects of oxyconazole. Side effect includes burning, स्टिंगिंग मीन्स खूप जळजळणे, खूप जळजळ होणे. देन स्वेलिंग, सूज, इरिटेशन, रेडनेस, स्किन लाल होणे. पिंपल लाईक बम्प्स म्हणजे छोटे छोटे फोडे येणे. टेंडरनेस म्हणजे स्किन आहे त्यापेक्षा खूप मऊ होणे. अँड फ्लेकिंग ऑफ ट्रीटेड स्किन. फ्लेकिंग मीन्स स्किनचे सालटे निघणे. अँड these all side effects causes after treating the skin, after the treatment of skin. Then uses of oxyconazole. Oxyconazole is used in the fungal infection. It is also used in the treatment of skin infections such as athlete foots, means fungal infection that begins between toes. सुरुवातीला आपण जी इमेज पाहिली 3 नंबरची, ते इमेज ॲथलेट फूट्सची होती. देन जॉक इच, इट मीन्स फंगल इन्फेक्शन इन द स्किन ऑफ जेनाइटल्स, इनर थाइज अँड बटॉक्स. अँड रिंगवॉर्म म्हणजे गज करणं. देन it is also used in the treatment of pityriasis. Pityriasis is a skin infection. Skin rash begins as a large spot on chest, abdomen, back, arms, legs, etc. These are the uses of oxyconazole. Then miconazole. Miconazole is contraindicated in the patient having hypersensitivity reaction towards miconazole. And it is also contraindicated in the patient with milk protein hypersensitivity. Okay. Then side effects of miconazole is same as that of oxyconazole. Burning, stinging, swelling, irritation, redness, pimple like bumps, tenderness and flaking of treated skin. Remember well, treated skin. म्हणजे हे जे सगळे साईड इफेक्ट आहेत ते ट्रीटमेंट झाल्याच्या नंतर आपल्याला दिसून येतात. Then uses of miconazole. It is used to treat vaginal yeast infection. Then it reduces vaginal burning, itching and discharge of vaginal content. It is used as azole antifungals and it works by stopping the growth of yeast that causes the infection. The next drug, iconazole. Contraindication of iconazole is it is contraindicated in the patient who having hypersensitivity reaction towards iconazole, and care should be taken while applying nearby eyes. Then adverse effect. Adverse effect of iconazole is same as that of miconazole and oxyconazole. Then uses of iconazole. Uses of iconazole is same as that of oxyconazole, which includes athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and pityriasis. Then ketoconazole contraindication. This drug is contraindicated in the patient who having hypersensitivity reaction towards ketoconazole. Then it is also contraindicated in the patient who is already administering the drug dofetilide, quinidine, pymazide, and cisapride. Then adverse effect of ketoconazole includes nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, itching or skin rash, headache, dizziness, breast swelling, impotence म्हणजे नपुसकपणा, and last loss of interest in sex. Then uses of ketoconazole. Uses of ketoconazole is same as other drugs of antifungal drugs, which include athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm. It is also effective in case of dandruff and pityriasis. Thank you. Thank you very much.